TikTok. I was scrolling through TikTok today, and of course, my For You page is filled with very pretty girls. There's a lot of pretty girls in this world, and a lot of naturally pretty girls in this world. However, I am not one of them, but I can turn myself into one of them, kind of, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, eyebrows. You guessed it, James Charles, this one, and then I carve out my brows with it. And if it looks messy, it doesn't matter because you're just gonna carve it out anyway. I never really know what I'm doing with my eyebrows. I feel like they look different all the time. I don't have a good shape to go off because they're non-existent, which is why I wear eyebrow gel every single day of my life. I promise they're there. They're just not like normal. Yes. This is the look we're going for. That's it. That's the end of the tutorial. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Sometimes the brows don't look nice when you put the eyebrow gel on first, but I have decided that I'm refusing to let my natural eyebrows see the light of day ever again, because I filmed a video about a week ago. I had my natural eyebrows like just, you know, out in the open, filmed about 7 clips with them in it, and decided that I didn't like the entire video because of my non-existent eyebrows. And so I deleted all of the clips, didn't use the video, which has given me 2 lessons. Wear eyebrow gel before you film, make yourself look presentable. Don't actually look like you've actually hopped out of bed. And 2, I don't know what the second lesson there was. Just put on eyebrow gel. Oh my god.
It's a part of the process.
You know how much easier my life would be if I just had eyebrows? Wait, let me show you this magic. Revolution Concealer C1.
Oh, yeah.
I've always done Angry Bird eyebrows. They're all I know how to do. Don't come for me. They're probably uneven. I know that. Leave me alone. I've put the same concealer on my eyelids as well, and then next I'm just gonna take a neutral shade of some kind and just put it in my crease. Just chuck it in there. Let me just put gel on something. I feel like everyone has figured this out but me, but this primer is good. It makes my pores go away. I highly recommend it. And you know what else I do? I also put it with my foundation and mix it into my foundation. So I put the tiniest little bit on my face and then I mix it in with my foundation, and it works wonders. I used to have the Benefit Porefessional. I didn't like that one. It made me break out like crazy. If you like watch all my old videos, you can just see my skin like screaming. I love that sound. It's so satisfying. It makes me feel not human. Here's another little trick that I learned from TikTok. You only put concealer like here and like here. And literally that's enough. I used to like go in and like do an entire triangle on my face, but just like doing this is plenty. I love TikTok. I learned everything that I know from TikTok. This is a good trick as well if you want to like lighten up your foundation a little bit around your neck so it doesn't look crazy. I take this NARS foundation. See, it's all, I don't know how that even happened. They don't unscrew the lid at all. Like, how does that even happen? Oh man. I'm wearing white too. Wearing white today was not, it really was not the move. I take this NARS foundation and I mix this one with my face foundation and like use it as like contour on my cheekbones and on my forehead. Okay, I've had literally no energy this entire video, but I just got complimented. But yeah, I like cream contouring and doing this with foundation a lot more than like powder contouring, because I feel like powder contouring always looks like muddy. Although this part looks orange. I know this part looks orange, but trust me, it'll look better. Okay, so what I do now is I blend this part out again for a 3rd time just to be sure, and then I take the Maybelline Lasting Fix, and you only need the tiniest little bit, and you just, and then I only powder the T-zone of my face and then under my eyes, my chin, and under my cheekbones. That's all I powder. Again, this looks really weird right now, but trust the process. It'll look good at the end. I hope. I don't really know. I'm not a fortune teller. I would like to think that it would look good because I've done this 1,000 times. And if it doesn't look good for the one time that I'm filming a video, then I'm gonna jump out the window. You think I'm joking? I'm not. Close the lids of everything as you go. That's my biggest weakness. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna do that right now. Things that I have out that need to be put away, I'm going to do right now. I take this ashy shade. I just put this like right here. I put it like here and up here. So you know how in my basically a Shein haul video I shat on this blush a lot? It's actually not that bad. I quite enjoy it. I know you're not supposed to do this as well, by the way, but this is the only way that it works for me. No matter how many people yell at me, I'm gonna do it if it looks good on me and it makes me happy. Okay, yes, I put it on the apples of my cheeks. And also one time in one of Kylie Jenner's like YouTube makeup tutorials, she said that she likes to wear a lot of blush. Now, me being the very original person that I am, I also wear a lot of blush, and it's definitely a coincidence and not because Kylie Jenner said she does. Honestly, who doesn't copy Kylie though? Dude, she literally ran the whole of 2016. Dude, Kylie Jenner in 2016, she was the moment. Oh my god, I wish I could go back to like 2016, to be honest. My hair's going all frizzy because I'm sweating. I love that. Thank you so much, universe. This is the Maybelline Glass Spray. I'm not the biggest fan of it, but I bought it, so I'm gonna use it until it runs out, and then I'll buy another one that I probably don't really like either. It smells like a public bathroom. Like, I'm not kidding. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this highlighter shade as per usual. James Charles, please, or Morphe, or whoever is listening to me. No one is listening to me. But if you ever listen to me, please put this shade by itself. I'm being dead serious. You heard it here first, folks. I want them to do it very badly. Also, put it all over your forehead so you look like a Walmart Kardashian. Shoot for the stars and land in the trees, is what I say. Nose contour. I don't really know what the f I'm doing with nose contour, so I just take this ashy shade. I just like, I don't really know what I'm doing. I just kind of like, you know, if anyone comments and says that I don't even know how to nose contour, you're exactly right. And I've watched many tutorials and I still don't know how to do it. So there's that. And then I put it under here too. I feel like putting nose contour under here makes all the difference. Kind of makes me look like I have a cute little Madison Beer nose. Madison Beer. I hate that your nose is naturally like that. I hate it for myself, but I love that for you. Congrats on that nose. But I want it. And then with nose contour, to achieve that cute little Madison Beer nose, you just kind of, you know, do one little dot and then like a... And then I take this shade, because it's a lot stronger than this shade, and I put it a lot stronger. And I put this in my inner corner. But then, okay, so here's the thing. I always get to this point in the video, I feel like I say this exact line every single video. I'm dyslexic. My vocabulary is literally like 10 words. I always get to this point in the video, then I look at myself in the monitor, as I have been doing for the entirety of the hour and 45 minutes that I have been filming. Has it been that long? Let's just say it's been that long. It adds to the sub story. I look at myself and I'm like, why? Why are you the way that you are? Why does your makeup look like that? It never usually looks like that. So why does it look like that today? Why does it look like the way that it looks today? Why couldn't it look like that? Never. Take your eyelash curler, borderline rip out your eyelashes. And also get mascara under your bottom eyelashes as well. It adds effect. And add about 20 layers of mascara. This is my go-to lipstick always for every look that I've ever done. I literally don't wear anything else but this. This is the NYX Lip Lingerie in Ruffle Trim and Liply 04. And I do this, and of course, the NARS Redemption Multi-Use Gloss. It is the best combo. It looks so stunning. And overline your lips so you look like you're trying to impersonate Miranda Sings. So sometimes I just leave it like this and don't put on lashes, but recently I just found the most gorgeous lashes. These are the Ardell Extensions FX in the B curl, but these are so gorgeous. These are the most perfect lashes I've ever tried, and I've tried quite a lot. So the Ardell ones are my favorite because the lash band is like really flexible, so it's not too hard to like, because I've tried some lashes in the past, the lash band is like really hard to move and it's really frustrating when you're trying to like shape it to your eye. The Ardell ones are always my favorite, and these are really fluffy. I quite like them. So, and I never use tweezers to put them on ever. I just use my fingers.
Oh, yeah.
This is gonna be the quickest outro ever, but my camera is literally about to die because all I did was waffle on in the first like 20 minutes of filming. So this is the final look. This is how you catfish. This is how I catfished my boyfriend. This is how you can catfish and manifest those boys, baby. Or girls. Or thems. whatever you're into. I don't judge here. This is a safe space. Like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy the video. I'll see you in my next video.